Okay, these notes are really quick on scientific notation. We're going to do this tomorrow in class. We're going to work with scientific notation. I just want to make sure you guys, especially those of you who skip Math 8, remember this. I'm not that worried if you take notes, so just make sure you watch this. If you feel like you need to take notes, then you can. So this is a review, though. Scientific notation is a way to write big numbers or really small numbers close to zero. So if I had a big number like, that's a good, let's try 3,000,009. Those are some terrible zeros. 3,900,000. Okay, I can rewrite that as 3.9 times 10. And then now I got to figure out to what power. Well, my decimal point's here, so I could move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 10 to the 6th power. Okay, so hopefully remember that from previous years. If you don't, then I might write that down. So 3,900,000 can be rewritten as 3.9 times 10 to the 6th. Now, really small numbers, okay, numbers that are really close to zero, okay, so maybe 0.00057, okay? It's a number that's almost zero, okay? It's very small, microscopic, that you'd notice in science class. So I could write this as 5.7 times 10 to the negative 4th power. Raising something to a negative power is the same as multiplying by 0.1 or 0.01, all those powers of 10. Or this, in this case, 5.7 times 1 over 10 to the 4th. 1 over 10 to the 4th, okay, is 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1 over 10,000. Okay, so you multiply a number by 1 over 10,000, you end up with a number very close to 0. Okay, that's what 10 to the negative 4th is. Notice when you write something in scientific notation, again, review, this number, this 5.7, has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, I should say almost 9.9, repeating, I guess, I don't know, 9 point, which is as close to 10. Okay, it wouldn't be 10, you would write as 1.0, but yeah, it has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, so we can change numbers that are written normally into scientific notation. They're a lot easier to work with. Tomorrow, we're going to multiply numbers in scientific notation and divide numbers in scientific notation. So I don't think you've done that before, but I know you've learned scientific notation. Here's a review of it. This will help you be more prepared for tomorrow. Thanks.